What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, Jobbers, I make Shay them know say him now in the whole mix up with Akiwa and Annie. You see me I say? So them not fi call up him name, you see me, in the foolish. You understand me I say? So we have that for share with you, my people. Zozo and Brit have that for share with you also. You know what I mean? We have a bunch of things, my people. Rosealee and GX we have to share with you also. You see me I say, I don't know what I left out, but here we have Shebada and Shay. You see me I say, I have a whole lot of things, my people. So we just going to get in it quick and fast right now and run through it.
Hello.
What's up?
Why you went to the restaurant, eat and didn't pay?
Allah, me pay for what you know, Vani, me pay all I bill them. Me pay for everybody. Me pay for TJ, me pay for everybody. You see, so don't believe what they must say on the internet, darling. You see, I lie them I tell.
Really? Do you like this face?
Vani, are you do that?
Yes.
Vani, you know, say you're talented. You're talented, you know, darling. You know, say you can, you know, say you can something there. You can be an artist, you know. You're very talented.
I don't think I'm good enough to do people face, but I think maybe my face.
No man, we do people face better, darling. That's it. I saw a lip big, a lip, so I saw a lip big. Alright, mass, something like that.
Yes.
What do you mean, yes? What do you mean?
It is big. It is my huge lips. You see?
Well, Vani, you're a very nice girl. You look very pretty, but do not take off the wig. But you're a very nice girl, you know.
Why these people keep, when I decline them, they still.
What's in the request answer?
I have a lot of streaks, you know.
Oh, so you want to play a match?
Alright, let's go. Guys, how much gloves do you have?
A small galaxy. Are you good?
Yes, bro, I'm good. Are you good, man?
What's up with you, bro? You not good with that dingy ass shirt on, that dumb ass shirt. What's up with you, man?
Hold on. Don't go nowhere.
You gotta take your side and burn that bitch.
What the hell? What the hell? You said what?
You said what now?
What?
King, you only got one jacket?
Yes, I told you, yes. How did that matter to you, bro?
No, bro, I'm just asking, man. I'm just asking, you know?
Hey, what's the word? What you got? Hey, what you got running? Your nose itching?
Yeah, my nose itching. But hold on, King, listen.
Nose itching, your head on swole, all type of shit. Yo, what's good?
Let me go talk to your girlfriend. Hold on.
Suck at your mother.
No, I'm gonna tell my boy. So we'll come back to you.
Hello, I'm going to go play. Alright.
Bye, I'm gonna play that boy now. You man want to hype the fuck? Yeah, you know what this? You know what this? Him quiet. I start him at first, you know. Him man quiet the fuck. Him man have all of me style them. Him man I start him at, you know. You see it? And then he start talk. Man just a run me down like some girl, youth. A man a run me down, some man. Bumbo Clout. What's up?
Hey, what happened? Hey, bro, what's up with you? Why you coming out? Hey, bro. Hey, bro, chill. Yeah, change that, yeah. Put on a new one. That shit was janky as fuck. Look at his mom with that paw. But this bitch is hurt. Hey, what's up with this stuffed animal? Just laying on the bed like that on some weird shit.
No, that's my kid. Don't be talking bad about
So shit, my bad. I ain't mean to speak on your picnic. My fault, man. My bad. Hey, how old is he?
Huh?
How old was that little mutt?
How about this one?
Man, that shit look weird as fuck. Man, that shit drunk as a bitch. Literally, that shit, it's just all just saggy and shit, man.
What's wrong with you, man?
Whose shit is you putting on? I appreciate you too, Bougie.
Something is wrong with you, man?
Nah, I just got a money gun.
Are you acting like you get a lion?
I did get a lion.
From who?
Let me see.
I was sober that night, but I was just crying
What's up, man?
Bro, Anna, you don't know Anna, dumbass. Oh my dad, cuz you feel me?
You feel me?
I don't at all.
Let me.
Hey, add some bad shit, man. Add some bad thick shit.
This is a thick one right there, King.
Oh yeah, I know about Big K for sure. That shit back there for sure. Most definitely.
Yeah, this is a thick one right there.
Oh, you know her in person?
No.
Type shit.
This is a thick one. She can shoot in your mouth. Huh?
What do you mean by that?
Like in your mouth. Don't you like those stuff, man?
I'm not you, dumbass. You understand me?
Alright, big kid.
Alright, my people. As me say, I run through that one and I leave her talk much. So let me know what you thinking in the comment section, my people. I'll make you watch some more.
Big kid. Later.
Alright, King.
Alright, okay. I said so, yeah, again. Hey, two booties, we good. Two booties, we good.
So big, alright. We have somebody else.
He said shit ain't right here. That's the type of shit they do in Jamaica.
Bro, don't call Jamaica name, man.
Hey, relax.
Call you Jamaica name.
Relax, buddy.
Relax, man.
Chat, lock in right quick. Chat. This man Jayden has no taste at all, bro.
I didn't.
This is Jayden type. Hello. This is the type of shit Jayden like to take down
So King, you don't like that one?
after a long day. I'm not gonna lie, nah, bro. I wouldn't. Know what I'm saying? I wouldn't really prefer, like the baby powder one. Know what I'm saying? Like the baby powder type. I wouldn't really. Know what I'm saying? And then like, I like mine with a nice grill. Like a very, very nice straight grill. Know what I'm saying? So this isn't really my type.
What's your type?
Bonnie. Ivany is his type.
Bro, what the fuck? Hey, bro, Jayden, bro. I just gotta beat it. Oh my God, I know she got a fan next to her. I know firsthand she got a big ass fan next to her.
Yeah, like Coco.
Hey, listen, hey chat, I know firsthand she has a big ass fan next to her.
Cause like you like smoke.
Chat, is that like a common thing in Jamaica? Like everybody have fans?
I don't want to speak to you.
Like, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
No, literally, I know firsthand she has a big ass fan and it's going hot. They said y'all kinda look alike.
Yeah, for real.
Who look like who, man?
Fox.
I don't look like her. What the fuck? Them wild ass chumpers on her. Them bitches wild as fuck. Look. Like, god damn. Holy shit.
Everybody nice in their own way, no? So your opinions don't matter.
You give her a piece of chicken, she eat the whole entire thing. My dead cousin. Bone off. Shit.
I don't want to hear you.
Damn.
I don't want to hear him.
It says she's not Jamaican. She's
Jayden, you good?
She Trinidad. How far that is from
Why you at me though? With him?
Hey, leave right quick. Leave. Hey, leave.
No, I don't want to talk to him.
Leave.
I bet.
Yeah, bye, baby.
What's up, your mama top send request, Matty boy.
I was sending requests, I'ma block him. I'm fi send you requests, I'ma block you. Yo, tell them man keep on follow me, I'm so. The rascal, no sir. What a man want IP, man? John Star. Oh fuck, yes. Play the match.
I like a sock pussy boy, remember go ahead, go fuck
Yo, John was star. Yo, Mr. Lamana dog.
That's stupid too.
King, what the fuck, man? Don't be adding blam them over here, man.
Huh?
Don't add blam them over here, man.
You said don't add blem them?
Don't add it.
I don't know how he keep getting in, man. Fuck. He keep coming, man, out of nowhere, bro. Fuck, chat.
Yo, I'm talking. Yo.
Hey, let me add some bad American shit, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Now, let me add some American, some bad shit. Some shit you can't handle, alright?
Literally.
So what native that?
I told you to stop playing with bro. Thank you, bro. I tried to like 8 years to be saying, bro.
Hey, bro, wait. So, hey, bro, you scared of Blimdom?
Huh?
You scared of Blimdom?
No. He want piece of my hype and I'm not giving him.
Oh. Yeah, I was gonna say, man, that nigga, hey, he weak as fuck.
Yeah, you want to shank his ass.
Yeah, he's
You scared me?
fuck, man.
Well, you want me to shot, you know.
Don't be scared of buddy ass, man. Fuck that nigga.
Yo.
Straight up.
Fuck. Straight up, man. Straight up.
Hey, tell him I said that.
Fuck that nigga, man.
They said skin it out. Skin it out. I would never skin it out.
Why?
Not like buddy right here, man. Buddy right here.
Attention, my people. I'm doing the Instagram live here. I'm going to address something. When I wake up this morning, I'm going to try a video it and take too long for video. So I'm going to leave on the live. I'm going to try to post on the video now. And now post. So I'm just there. I'm just making know about the situation. I'm going to wake up to and hear this false accusation with my name on the internet and the TikTok. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to tell you how it start, people. My brother name Andrew. Where I'm seeing on social media. So I'm going to help out a youth named Jakes. I'm going to see you. I see the people on social media. I bash him and I say he must scam, he must this and he must that. So, and like him feel away in himself, you know what I'm saying? I'm not that kind of person. So he reach out to me, you know what I'm saying, as an artist, kind of make the thing look good. So I'm going to see you, God. See where me origin from, which part him origin from also. But go see you, God, me, my see you, God. Me never stop on my ends. and him never knows our mind, because I thought it was a different Jakes, him drive past. Then we stop, I call him, stop. The driver meet him, we end up over Falcon. We to a Falcon, we did realize that Jake's mother and me are family, like me friend like family. We know if I grow with our cousin, auntie, uncle, everybody. So when I feel welcome, have a good time, I just did it, and I enjoy the vibes, and you know what I'm saying, and him didn't say I make plans to come on the Saturday. You know what I'm saying, for turn on him live, and when him turn on him live, him interview invite the artists them over, and one bag of excitement. Same with the Saturday, I make myself present at Civil Garden. When myself present at Civil Garden, I say I dig out the foundation. And then I dig out the foundation. And while I dig out the foundation, I will vibes and I interview Jakes for them live. Then start as and I indicate the people, and people generally be there as one representative. I say enough artists make themselves present, but I say general be, and I come and I represent for the whole Civil Garden. Anyway, I go to make myself on this platform. I never really scale. I'm just saying, I'm like, we are the Jakes, I like the support, just continue to do it. And I'm saying, anyway, like it posts, you know, the star seat, say, go out to the star and seat. Then reach out to me, call me the following Sunday. When them call me the following Sunday, them say, generally, me see down a Civil Garden, I get me and I down there with Jakes. And one whole heap of thing, and I say, yeah man, I'm breaking him not here. Him down there and buy up steel, cement, and a lot of stuff for Jakes. You know what I'm saying? And I say, yo, that's all I have to tell you now. I talk about my career now. Get me them still like emphasize on that. I say, oh, I'm hook up Natia, I'm the right person to talk to. I'm going to call Natia. I'm saying up on the road with them girl and some friends that drive to some places, a place. See, so the lady, hook up the lady, so try to convince him. The lady I talk to him, he must say, him busy, him go somewhere. So she tell him, say, put on him, pull over. Man still find an excuse. So put on your hands for him, still find an excuse. Anyway, he must say, make General B state everything we are going. So we stated everything we are going to people. Friend Natia, you know, we're going to see you, get Jakes. And then I say, the support, because I know him a long time. I'm like when Natia goes and he get me financially. I give you strength. Enough people, I'll do the same thing. So, you know, post up on platform, so you know other people can see it. I don't know. This morning, you know, let me say a voice note left on my phone. The voice note stated that, John B, oh yeah, say, are you a bill also Jakes? So I say, no, I call the paper and sue the paper. But when I look on the thing, at least the thing say, I mean, I say, it's like, I say, reading is very fundamental. Reading is very fundamental.
Some people, it look like say the foolish out for start when it come to Jakes and the also my bill bring down from Rosealee misunderstanding you so 1x. Let me know what I think.
And if you can't see clearly, you can just go on the Instagram and see a star. And anybody can tell me where me state is not a star when me General B I say me I build Jakes home only takes it and show me where the star is. Anyway, this is the we start publishing. So the whole more of the things that them put up, them say General B, get me? Then them put a comma. That means them don't need General B and them say it Good Samaritan help Jakes building a home. See it again, I know show me can turn it. Because if you can read it, understand. They say General B with a comma and then them state it's a Good Samaritan helping Jakes with a home. Alright, we understand we stay as Jamaican. Most of them like read, all of them can't read. Anyway, if you go in that paper now, see, I go inside and read the article, then this should be him. When it stated, say, in the article, they just stated, I'll just read one of the vital part. The artist clarified that he is not responsible for funding the material for the building of the house. You get me? See that? Right by the top of the people. That's stated in the star. That's stated in the star. And people read, I'm going to cover this paper and they come on social media and I try to be disrespectful to me and I try to put me out there and accuse me wrongfully. You know what I'm saying? That I'm going to make it, the thing look immature. Then what is now next part of the star? It has a me ask no, them ask me the question, some say, him just asked me to be the face of the whole movement. I make myself present on the location. Then, so the gamers, them and the whole popular people on TikTok can reach out to other people. You get me? Them I tell about him now, me state about him, which is Burger. I mean Burger, I say, Burger told the Star that he was touched by Jake's story because he is he's a family man as well. So far he has purchased blocks, cement, steel, and etc. etc. That was stated in the paper. I'm going to ask again, where in the paper stated that General B said, and whosoever read it, I wish them can go in it and show me that. You get me? I'm going to see the cover it again. Upon the cover it alone, show you everything. General B, comma. Good Samaritan help building home a sea view for Jake. Come in here to see the Star now. You get me? Read me and say, no, but the Star not say nothing wrong. You get me? They might build by him. But I want to probably best because of my picture and put in the Star, because you know me an artist. I know how them stay. As an artist, you know the Star say. And this still is a subliminal thing, you know, because Jamaica can read, they say, General B Good Samaritan help a man and sea view. But they say General B Good Samaritan. They say that, they say General B with a comma. Comma mean, you get me? I will resume to the next sentence. Bossy, if you don't want to read it, make somebody read it and state it out, everything feel clearly. You get me? And whosoever on the line can look on the Instagram, because it's online also, you can read it out, feel, and make him know. You know what I'm saying? And that's the only reason I'm coming on the Instagram people. I'm kind of dark, so we can go on a lot more. The only reason I'm coming on the Instagram to make them know. A friend of mine always try to ramp in my reputation and my career. And sometimes people when I really watch them things about social media. Because we live a life right now, it's like we have an open court. So when you have a case where you say that the media have run them on a case and them court them running, you have them jury, them judge, them everybody on the social media. You know what I'm saying? So I'm concerned about the fans more than any individual at all. Because there's a thin line between me and people and I respect. Yeah, somebody has reached out to me to know these people. So I'm going to go back and read the paper because the whole accusation is that the paper put it out say General B said he might build home for Jakes. Poor me now. I know Jakes, mother and father, sister, everybody know them as family. Me just see the garden at my place. I feel so good, I feel so overwhelmed with the joy. You know what I'm saying? Me know where anybody will know me knows me I try to build a house so long and I try to finish it. And I say, when I go talk and do them things, I deal with Clout. People, anybody know me on social media, they see me come on a live, na Instagram live, na TikTok live, you know what I'm saying? When I come on to reason like this, my daughter will on TikTok reach out to me and send the article. So Daddy, what is the matter? So I'm just try to clarify things. And if the information not good for whoever is on the live, you know, I'm showing it back again, can show it, but it's already on Instagram, so it'll take a whole pot of your talk like that.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comments. We'll watch a bit more and then we're going to move on to the next.
I wasn't mean, you cannot talk, and you know what I'm saying, there's settings. But everything stated in the paper. And if the paper that says something wrong, me personally would have sued the paper. Then subliminally edit it because that's all social media stay. You will say, I want to put things, bomb to kill and being man a fight. And just so you get your attention. And when you look at this verbal disagreement, it's not a physical fight. But at least them get your attention as one more viewers. You know what I'm saying? So the Star them have to do for them way or the market them thing. But it's as long as you understand and know them not directly disrespect or falsely accuse you of anything, that's when you can understand the whole thing. I have no reason you can sue them. Because I have no point to can show. I said, I want to read to over. I said, what them say? General B sick. I remember I said that when me not tell whoever interview me, you know what I'm saying? And people, as I'm calling for the interview, I'm going to call this man how much time and tell him say him to talk to the people. And he said, General B, just tell him exactly what it is. Exactly what it is stated in the paper. So please go and read the Gleaner. You know what I'm saying? To the world.
Them. So all everybody in the comment section, oh Shay call them. And if I me call them, what are you gonna do me? What am I gonna do? Wanna go into them or something? No.
Quite them I go beat you.
What the fuck come like you not gonna beat me? If I do it, if I say I do it, I go admit say I do it, but me not do no. More than likely, I have somebody close who work there, so I'm going to know. But I'm not working for CDA, but I know things. I know people. I don't know why no come here I feel like say me's an idiot. Like me not know nobody, like nobody don't know me. Me not have family member, me not have nothing.
I know the connections that you have.
Like me know people, bro. Me know people, literally know people. Me know all heap of people say I don't know why I don't come here and go like gonna take me life. Me know all heap of people. Me know all heap of people, like a lot. People that come here and say, oh, Shay and nobody will do license. Yes, me know somebody. What? People know people in real life. Fuck out of here, man.
That's true. She's so ashamed.
Yeah. And she come. This, that. Me say, hey, this man, I go clear comment scale, appear laugh, me laugh, appear people. So, Shay work for CDA, you know? They make you take a Shay license. What fucking license y'all talking about? What the fuck? Shay work for CDA. Shay, let me take a Shay like this man. I'm gonna read comments and I laugh. License? What license? What must be curious for them? I'm sooner under them. All me can do is laugh because you're so funny.
Right?
You people are so funny. One girl said they need to take on my license because me I put out personal information. One next one I say, it look like I work for CDA for true because my topic them ever on point. One next one say, me sure one day if me is a spy for the country. Why they tell you me have to laugh to pussy class. Me have to laugh. On a sick. You people are some sick people. You sick. On a sick. I'm not sick people for sure. Spy. What the fuck, spy? I'm movie alone. Me watch them something there now.
Yes. Next name may say you're FBI.
Oh, you're not Russian.
One next one say me, the comment section I say me in a government business at Jamaica, me they are foreign. Oh, me do that. And I say, oh, Trump need for hire me for look for people and Anthony for send for me for fight criminal. I want the blood. Listen, I laugh.
Oh my God. If I see these comments, I would have laughed at you.
Yes, I have to just laugh. Somebody said the people in my city need to fire because they're leaking out people information. Jasmine, just be safe and make sure your kids don't go in the program because I will.
Right? Just like that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Just be a good mother, mama. Take care of your kids them and make sure them not going to the system because we're gonna know. Simple.
Exactly.
It's simple. It's simple, right, Chocolate? It's just simple like that. Like, take care of the kids, them, treat them good, you know, and I make them go into the system, and I won't know about it.
That's true.
Because they don't come about, and me call CD, and me. CD have social media. Only ever see some immigration lawyer over here going information about ICE? On TikTok? We never see ICE people over here good information, or if get through, or if pass through TSA and this, that. Everybody's on the internet.
Yep.
Everybody's on the internet.
That's so true.
Everybody, all agencies is on the internet.
Yep. How you think they get people information? Is that social media? They build up a case on them.
Thank you.
They build up cases on them. And then they go in for them.
No more than ever.
I look on them now. I don't look on them. Because me come, that's why I never kill up myself. Because I have no time to kill up myself.
Why Shay's laughing? Why Shay just sit down and laugh so? I said, why she laughing? I said, no man. Shay knows something up.
Me did tell you no. Cause I know Annie they go come confess to no. See me never know. Jayden catch her in the act last night. She never knows that Jayden dep on the live. Mel! That about CDA come, them just come for talk to you.
Liar.
Don't come for tell you to fuck lie.
And then know this morning you're coming out telling the truth.
Me did tell them last night.
We don't know all the people that want to move with Zoe and she want to prepare a place to Wilbur.
Alright people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because I have a video right with Dragga, a screen record with Dragga and the people them are tell him, you know what I mean, beware and ray. Because remember him have him to picnic them in and they live in condition, it not so 100. You see me I say, and them move after Annie. So now them a make him know, say yo, him have to watch for himself because them will come to film them too. Boy my people, it's a shake up on TikTok right now, you know. Me I tell you, you know, problem, you know, everybody with picnic when I move right way. Worried, you know. Me feel like say somebody on TikTok I do it and somebody look followers them also. You see me? I call the people them or maybe the people them see what go on and start monitor TikTok, you know, on a different level. So make watch some more my people and we're gonna go over, you know what I mean, Dragga, then we go over Jabbas. But we have more things to share, so make watch some more.
Woman mad.
Mad.
Move Zoe and you are prepare yourself. You're not getting
when they come, Zoe run like a thief and she prepare the place for Wilbur.
She over there confess them say. From a clip me let me see people I say it. No, see, they don't go with Zoe. They went there last night and Zoe
like a thief.
Them got there yesterday, 6 something, and Zoe left the premises and them tell Annie she don't bring in Zoe. They're going to them are going to arrest her. And them come last night, Kira, and them bring down my blood clot, them bring me down and all me do, me just laugh. And me do I just laugh. Yeah, all me do is just laugh. That's all me do, just laugh. No, them see they never take Zoe. She left the premises. She left the premises. She never did it. Them come and she leave. Run like thief. Run like 10 Batman.
Yeah, I never saw anything like this yet.
Run.
The same woman that said you're a liar coming out this morning and talk the truth.
That's why I tell you, say social media not real. This internet, these people on the internet is so, them uno sick, bro. Uno sick, uno do everything for views, money, and likes. Like,
True.
Nobody could get me if you come do them something like, we almost so clown out yourself on the internet, I could do it. Like, Annie not have no shame, she not have no dignity, she not have nothing. Like, you think this shit is funny?
She have nothing at all.
Like the people on the internet who not sick, who not do anything for one little views, who not do everything for money. It's like who not just bring down on yourself. And that must go on TikTok. Everybody bring down themselves for money and views. If you bring down, if you want to bring down, I don't know, pitney them for money and views. Who know who to bring down?
That's true.
But soon come here and pin them back and forth on the internet. Who for pussy this, who have gonorrhea, who have 3 baby father, mother and daughter. I never see that yet. Annie and Anna. I 2 worst blood clot mom and daughter me ever see combined on the internet and clash against them one another. Who Who have more man, who fuck more than who. Embarrassing. I don't do anything for the fame on a character. That's why I can't do things like Uno. I forever gonna come and speak the truth and nothing about the truth, so help we God.
And it's so sad.
When I see people wanna come and tell lie, who never come, oh Shay know everybody business, because I always catch up on you, because when you come and tell no lies, them I come and tell the people them the truth.
No, she's saying that she's paying a teacher to private teach Zoe. Zoe don't need to go to school.
So she paying a teacher to Zoe. Zoe don't need to go to school.
Yeah, a private teacher to private teacher.
What license you have? And you have a license? And you have a teacher's license, chat? And you have a teacher's license? What private teach? What are you doing? You yourself not even intelligent, so how you gonna teach your pitney? That no make no sense at all. Send the pitney them go to school. Last night me see you come here bring down, and you don't know nothing about me, no. My pitney them alright, my pitney them a go to school. My pitney them go to school. So all of them come, my pitney them a go to school, them go to school. My daughter just come home. My son still there at school because after 5 for me now. What time at Jamaica? So my pity them alright. My pity them going to school, you hear? None of my pity them not their home. School. After 10, right. So for me boy still there at school. My daughter come home from 4 o'clock. The last night when me and share class scale, I just laugh because when you come and some pit them, my pit them go to school with here. Oh, my pit them go school. My pit them alright. Them quite finish by them blood clot there. Quite fine. Them not have nothing to worry about. So we need actual school and yourself need to go to school. So how the fuck you got homeschool one girl, one pitney where you have now? You yourself need homeschool, miss. You are the only somebody must come on TikTok come take controversy for one blood clot compliment. Then me can ask somebody for my life and say, what you like about my video them? What you see about my video them? Oh, controversy. That's all me see. I'm a laugh at what the fuck is that? You don't even know the meaning of it. For sure, yo. Who dance, man? You need school. So you yourself can't school nobody.
Woman take
it as a compliment. It did confuse me to Vendetta Queen. It confused me too. Because I was wondering like, what the fuck? Are you mad, Annie? Why you smile? Are you good on your sweet? Oh, nice. That is not a compliment. All a blush. And the part they kill me, Brianna. The blush part kinda take me out. Do my blush up, baby, do my blush up, fuck.
Oh, she said, oh, nice.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Okay. And I blush it.
Okay. And you have the cheekbone.
From ear to
Sarah, we can work with that.
Yeah.
Him too outside. Him too rude. I him alone me see a fight for jacket in a day time, yeah.
And the baby little like a this. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna say me, I'm joking now.
What though?
See me? Yeah, I'm joking
Alright, my people, put fun and joke aside. Wanna feel like a red and spitting that for you or a jacket? Leave it in the comments.
Why?
Them.
They are wicked, them, you know?
Them, I need a pan. I'm missing too.
What?
Say everything you love for a serious something.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, come there. A serious something, man.
How many blood do that boss laugh? I joke me getting on. Oh, you think you're a blood clad robot?
This serious, man.
You call your boy a blood clad boy, this serious. I'm not a robot, I'm not watch a show, I get joke.
Stop laughing.
I'm not stop.
Stop.
Let's stop a blood clots. Driver!
Oh, you be so rock or some
Stop
dance.
the car.
Like you have a street dance in Belgium.
Oh, the blood clot there, man. What do you?
She ain't afraid the mother depend on live and listen to you.
No, you know, so she always there and listen to me. She know me terrible.
She ain't afraid, no.
Yeah, to me what do you know? I love Shebada, I love.
And that's the lady said?
Yeah, she said when me depend on live, me just watch.
She, your mother have no ambition. She said she love me.
Yeah.
No man, the lady have no ambition. And Miss Sweet say a woman have worth and value that love me.
No ambition at all she not have. Me tell her she careless, you know. Me say you careless, so watch Shebada, you're very careless.
Yeah, let me feel proud.
Yeah. Me tell her, me say you're very careless, so now watch Shebada. Him careless, so like
honorable.
right. Me tell her, me just tell her the truth and do. Me say you careless, so watch Shebada, me
So
say.
but she call it? She call it today?
Yeah, she called me today.
The video call you?
Yeah.
I lie. So she seen the beauty supply blouse, what she saying?
Right. She doesn't know.
Yeah? She doesn't know about the blouse.
No, when she call me sometime, I put the phone on my face so I get her passport size picture. I don't really get her full body image.
Oh. Come on, no, she just say, go take that shirt up. Take that shirt away. Take that shirt away. Take that shirt. I strip your skin and strip out, change it, change. Come and say, Jayden has some ice when I drip, you know? They want it for dry ice.
It's a silver chain, sir.
That's a what?
Silver.
She kind of look like a dark from your so the silver, not silver ring. You see the one that, hey, you see like
Two different silver.
Huh?
I two different silver.
Me not seeing like them one wash.
You know you're fucking out that.
No, she African silver.
I'm a blood clot show you see.
African silver, black American silver, cause they look dark.
African silver this.
Okay, I understand the blackness.
This is African silver.
Yeah.
And the next one is a Guyanese silver.
You have to lock it back for your story.
Yes.
In a glisten though, it come like Jayden eyes.
May I tell you, yes, Jayden with the blood clot cheap team you. And I chat my friend with you, sorry.
Come here, Shay.
Eh?
5 minutes.
No! No!
Say no again.
No!
Yeah, you have no one of your kind of teeth when you tap no. Yeah. We said no. This is the way I cannot see there.
No!
And the wisdom teeth, I said so.
No!
Yeah. Yeah, be the whole of your some of them.
Yeah.
So you're the real 32.
Yeah. How much you have? 45?
I'm gonna get extra teeth too. I didn't have short teeth there.
I try to have pussy teeth there.
Get a perfect other part there. If you open up my foot and make you a my clit reason. You
bite have my clit, you bite.
No, my clit. If you open my foot, you are my clit reason you learn. So it's a knowledge and wisdom there, yes, so.
A pure teeth they don't
yes, chaos, they so.
And a pure teeth they don't so.
I like me they say when you have sex instead of use condom, them use bridle by your mouth, by your hole.
I mean when you have sex, instead of use condom, you use a balloon.
I'm supposed to use balloon because when water catch balloon it have a stink and that no
I use candle bag for your mouth.
No man, that's for the big good them. That's for the old them who really get out of control. Then you think you tell us your rice bag or 1 pound bag.
And whereas listen.
Me not sell it clean up, me walk with.
Me know your whole
walk on. Easy. Eh? What that?
No, you hold this.
Stop giving so much credit, it want more space.
Oh.
Go for the jug where Abel I walk with. Every time I see put him out on the jug, I swear it's my own.
Oh.
You see what Abel I do underneath me? Every time Abel put him out on the jug, you know, it have a representation of my belly bottom.
That's wonder you're big and done.
If I saw what? If I saw underneath the big and down?
Big and
you know, it's candy with the neck big and down, so.
Who?
Candy.
Which candy?
Alright, my people, tell me what you think, cause we say I run through that one quick and fast, you know, a late night now, right?
With the neck, female candy, not the one with the teeth less.
Oh, the one with the lump?
Yeah, but we Roger come and bust it up, so candy batty lumpy.
Me dear.
Then what come here, you and Ivany attitude for what?
Her picture come for me, my dear.
I don't blame her. What she say about you?
Yeah. So not really say nothing much, you know.
So what she talk say?
Nothing really would that make sense. Pitney again.
Pitney again, what she say about Pitney?
The same thing over and over. Go for your Pitney and me tell her stop giving Baba tea and she stop. She learn, you know?
What she give now?
She put my ear, so she fried them. I saw one screen record, she must have fried so egg. And I saw one next screen record when she gave me one piece of paper for writing.
Happy wife make she do it.
But me did tell her.
No, happy wife beg her for give him mackerel and rice. Come now, man.
Oh.
Happy wife. The lady lay down on her back and I direct the baby.
Oh. Yeah, that's what she come about, baby. I'm going to tell her, stop giving Baba tea. That no good, the brain now function right.
Hey, what's up with them teeth, Jayden vehicle?
My dear.
And the 2 vehicles, and she was drive Ganisha funeral with.
No, I'm buy one brand new XC.
They are, you are a real hypocrite. Shay, what we mean is that Ivany, the reason why she kind of little bit secure apparent and she carry news.
You know,
she told the informer.
Come here, you know, say me hear it too.
Yes, you lie. You never hear it.
Somebody tell me for true, say she's an informant for the for them whole here for true.
Yeah, she told people business, gunman business.
And she have things with the government want, that is why she can't get in a problem.
Yes.
Me here.
I saw me here, my love. So Ivany a big informer. And that's why she's afraid to go out. I saw me here. But we soon get the balance of the story.
Right. So yeah, kiss your teeth for kiss your teeth, your wig. I want to use your wig and map the blood clad earth. Come on from my life. One big old, the big old man them love who can pick up for Ivany and them big and all of them pussy done out. How to them?
And all of them scratches done out, Shay, because some of them have better old than me.
Oh.
And one of my jailers, you know, 6 months ago, 80-year-old woman, and come back, come tell me, say, Shibby, the woman tighter than you. I mean, she cut up about it.
You feel that way?
Yeah, 80-year-old.
You want that tight now? How you buy that?
Shame it about your throat, but it loose like me too.
I that too. You want my nose?
Shame nothing fine that tight. You see how the ring hang off. The ring, yeah, your nose make the ring feel like parachute jumper.
Don't give me a winning, never give me a winning. Never.
May I come? What you say now?
Mommy, I come here, breaking news. Them say Annie they at police station and she make Zoe tell the police from Ochi to Akma from. Yes, Aki walk touch her from Ochi.
The touch not on.
What that mean say?
A mere allegation that them can't find nothing for him in a fair pum pum, you know. She pissed out and period out that. So come now, Zoe could have take man from that. So them can't scrape out her hole and find nothing for Akiwa. The long time that, if that even happen, so we shall go to jail a station for 1 year. Police lock up Annie for being careless. You not carry man on your little picnic them.
Right.
So do I have to go check Alex back home now?
My dear.
As them a walk and take away anything them, you know.
Then Dragga Batam can't check no more because it's overpopulated.
So a Shaniel breed Dragga?
Dragga used to buy some batty man down and so.
Alright, nobody chatting batty like she good dad man, I let them see man looking.
I'm not looking. But
Dragga love man.
Long time.
With a mouth, they better go fix it, you know. You better go fix the mouth.
Turn sideways again. Your favorite my blood clad sideways now.
Then she you know believe say Annie could have me.
If your favorite sideways. Yeah. Blood clad, yeah.
When you go alongside Dragga, when you go alongside.
When you go up. When you go up at Destiny, go down again. Alright, yeah, go down. Go Dragga. Go up. Chenille, right?
And some gunman now.
No.
Figure it out.
TikTok police.
Figure it out.
Right. Up, you have one heap of looks in there. Fuck out.
Out of many one people.
But you favor so much people. Not like this. You favor so much people, man.
Shay live, you need to be very, very serious stuff. Give the media 3 days break. This can go very bad for both. You realize what happened to Rosealee? I know y'all listen, but you can't say much. But you realize what happened to Rosealee? You guys need to be very, very serious. I have no bad blood against Shay. I don't know what's the problem with you guys and Shay, but the lesson I say are the better for you. The less. No say nothing. No try play no game. Don't play an hypocrite. You can come and play a game, but don't say nothing. This is going very, very, very bad, and it can't bad already. When you can't wipe when nothing we're going on. You just have to be careful. With that include you not being in that vehicle which you're not supposed to drive it. Don't drive the vehicle, don't go in it. Just stay away from the vehicle for a while. And may I beg you though. I love Annie and I love the family, but this I go way bad phone. It don't look good. It don't look good. And me know you love your mother, but you need to stop. Me know you not do nothing in a Dragga, but you need to tell Annie for this. Sometimes Annie need to calm see. It is better for her.
Wait. Me answer you now. Wait. Where we are do illegal, miss?
No, it's not you, you know. It's not you. You need to listen.
Where my mother do illegal?
It's not your mother, right? You're saying that you don't have a license. They have no proof to that. But to be on the safer side of life, just do not entertain the conversation, which means that what I'm not Jagga. My just listen. Me I watching a long time. I don't have any bad blood, you know.
No. Just listen what me I say. You see, just like we have life and Shay have life. None of we no better than one another.
Understand that, I do.
So why me can't talk like Shay them can't talk?
You know what? One another Jagga me say this. The reason why Shay won't get in any problem and why me I tell her this.
So why we are gonna get in a problem?
Hold on, Jagga. Hold on. You see the incidents that is taking place on social media. More you look deep.
Alright, my people, with what Dragga says, saying nobody know better than nothing. It's not better than, you know. That's not the issue. You saw me I say it's the length of person we go to make your life miserable. You see me? And it not have to be that person too, you know. It don't have to be Shay. I call the people them pan the picnic them, you know. I can't other people but through Shay and them inner things it look like a Shay I do it. You understand? So tell me what you think, my people, make watch some more.
This is not being upset to them love or no, but the incident where take place on social media now, it a go bad. And me see it a go bad. Cause me dey on both live under private account. And what they must spill up on social media can tear down your mother. And me love Annie. Bad. Bad, me love your mother.
Oh, Dragga, I'm gonna fuck you, not Dragga.
Just listen to me, Dragga. Me I beg you do.
Dragga, I'm gonna fuck you, no man.
Just me I beg you do. That's why me there in the comment section I tell Annie say less. They are watching her very hard.
When you say that, you say me for say less.
No, Annie, you don't say nothing, you know. You don't say anything, but there are some of the things that you're spilling where you say police to lock up such man. Say less. Me I beg you do, Annie. A long time I try to reach out to you and me cannot. Just say less.
Why she can't say that?
No, me I tell you legally. I understand where Annie is coming from because she's upset, but me I beg you do, just say less. The less she say, I better for her. Please. Me I beg you.
Angel go suck out your mama.
Yeah, Dragga, me a beg a long time. Me a watching a long time. And me feel poor just to see somebody a break down Annie and Annie not do nothing wrong. Me a beg her just to say less.
When I say boy, I forget lock up, you know. And now look into it while me I say boy, I forget lock up.
Annie, me know you listen. I heard everything. I was on the live. Me hear everything. Me I listen to everything. But you see what I know. You see the less you say, they can't attack you. The more you talk, that them I use and attack you. The more you talk, I eat them use and break you. The less you say, they can't break you one bit. The more you open your mouth and come live and speak on the topic, that is what they're using to break you. We know a lie, but the more you come and speak about it, that's what they're using to break your family. Then I like us together, so the more you come on live and speak about it, they are breaking your family. This is not what, and there's somebody commenting what I know. You don't need to look, it's on social media. I miss everybody I go live. I don't need to come here and speak. I have no bad blood against anybody on social media. But the less you say, is a better for you. And you have sense, me know that. Your kids them have sense. The less you say, they can't use anything on you. Every time when I come on live and speak on the topic, I that them use.
Understand what you're saying?
Just go look back on social media and see every time when I say something regarding the situation, it then come and use by you and your mother. No say nothing. Anything what they want to say about you, know, let them say it. If they want tear down, you know, if they say even me can breed, make them talk. They say Zoe do whatever, make them talk. Just don't say anything. Just allow them to speak. And just go and hold up your head. This is what the enemy like to do, you know. And once you allow the enemy pound the playground, we're not going to fight a losing battle. Just not pay them no mind. I'm still a watch, you know. As I say, they are on your live. Both CDA and police are watching. The entire family. You have to be careful. This is not a joke anymore. Just be careful. Me not watch negativity, you know, and nobody don't know me, so them can't talk. But I'm saying to you, because your life is on social media, they are using it as a thorn to tear the entire family apart. Dragga, you're the backbone for your mother. Stand up for your mother. You and me are the strength. So not pay any negativity in the mind and I listen to the nice in the crowd.
I understand what I say, but I have nothing, nobody for use against me.
I don't know, but you see screen recording and things that happened in the past, they can use it at you guys. I just tell you now when I sip on the media. And I watch boy you, Dragga, I watch you, your mother, I hold on alive. On a nice bad. But you see, the enemy have a way to come and attack good people.
Alright, then.
Just have yourself a blessed day. And tell Annie to big up yourself, as I said, be quiet. Listen, say better.
Alright. Bless up.
Bless up yourself.
Team long blood clot time, no worry, me team long
Bring me
time.
dog, mother, that
Pick your blood clot and come out from my life. Where you watch me for?
I'm so good like brief.
Yeah, man, I bring you bring me dog,
Don't
man.
see flowers long time, Mr. She.
Bring me down, dirty shit. Bring me down.
If you tell the girl to go suck out him, mama.
Blood
Yeah,
clot.
yeah, man, say Dragga for me.
Hey,
Yeah.
Batty boy, Dragisha. Chanel panty wiper. Hot face looking cracker.
How you do jealous?
Suck your mama.
Suck back here, mama, stinking girl.
Hey, big stinking wool girl, you have no mama for suck. Suck with blood clot, suck pussy drunk crow. You're obsessed no blood clot, and my pussy you want no blood clot, you're unhappy no blood clot. Come on from me pin the blood clot like stinking blood clot, big wool girl.
Suck all the
But suck your mother dirty girl and go from your son. How you? How you big wool girl? Think like a dog.
They take off rice for rice, go make me hear what she say. They take off rice for.
See girl obsessed with the whole family, man. You.
I must obsess you, obsess and lonely. You lonely?
Family, man, you. Don't make you come for your thing.
Rice, add me back me here, what I say.
Dragga, me say, avoid that. Yo, they not listen to me, no man. They not listen to me, no man. Brother, they avoid attention, they might give girl, you know. Brother, no give girl no attention, yo. I did your dumb.
So fuck him, I watch me for. Where am I watch me for?
Give me one cup of tea, no man. If a woman watch you like that, if a person click them live and watch you, Dragga, that means them obsessed with you.
Obsessed with people.
She don't have no life. She has some low life when live a foreign. People where they are foreign live up them life, brother. And some low life girl. You see me? She can't cuss you. I tell her that. She ain't no body for cuss nobody. I'm telling you, man. Guys, better not snide now, please. Brother, don't make nobody come. Don't make you even come over your life, brother. Make you get away from yourself. See, I watch you. I don't know if it's a long last blood clot wrapped in our house or we need to kill him. You done that now? They didn't hear my life. I don't know if it's a long last rat. I don't know if it's a drunk or when I know them space. But somebody where I watch people so I'm obsessed about them and in a people business. Hey girl, where you pity them, man? Stinking girl, you have any pity if you take away? You have no pity if you take away, girl?
Guys, them a report me. Hey, I tried.
A dog. She was shit up. Girl, sick stomach, no blood clot. Eh? You want to come past my picnic?
No.
Yeah, they are foreigner, you're still not gonna block cash.
Yeah, wicked guy. Watch out now. Tell Annie say them. Tell Annie. That's how I call and them black me over there. So only for people that know say me and her good.
No, girl, we're spending money for the BL.
Tell Annie say her moderator just black me.
If my family and
yeah,
what you think I say for my family? Eh? So good girl, no man pretty never for some.
She's got no more time, mother. I say call thing the papa, you know. What do you tell me from my life, you know? She come over my life at me a call her name. Fuck out her mama, man. She look like man and fuck that. One oh, she say me think I want blood clot. What you call it?
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment. Only thing say Shay take a step on the family. Annie and her family them. Or Shay is just a person where, you know what I mean, it's just a bully on the internet. Tell me. I wanna think.
Transmission.
Transmission, brother. Me believe that.
I've never seen.
Yeah, man, and it's because some of dog.
There's a man this to blood.
Me not tell him. Me I go live, bro. Me I go live.
Yeah.
We saw Annie from black. Because me no.
Guys, you not tell me to stop. See? I'll come in life. You don't coming up. You not tell me to stop, brother. What if I think we're going to share with? I know say they share with enough more.
I'm just it over the way Shay.
I want it more only, you know. I want it more only that blood clot big stinking cesspool was there. They have come and find out. I want them to see shape on the life with that beard, you know. Eh? Moustache Shay have, you know. Why Shay no go shave her moustache? Why she not just go curve up her moustache and then something? Eh? When your mama come out that big moustache on him blood clot face. So I don't want to that nigga there. Brother,
over here watch it to blood clot.
Like your pussy still not work. Tell me make you lose your dick, bitch.
You know nothing to do.
Fuck you, nothing to do, bitch. You get up from blood
No,
clot,
nothing to do.
man.
You can't have something to do.
Get up on me. You come with mix up and it not work for you. You come and jab down my family, it not work for you. You call CDA, it not work for you. You call police, it not work for you. You call you send me thief car, it not work for you. Shay, want you. Shay, want you.
Go focus for your life and go look on car. Go look
Right
for
now,
blood
just take your
clot
youth
do.
and put your youth in that camera. Do that and beat me, Shay.
Well, in a
I want you to do
advice
something and beat me,
Zoe
Shay.
flirt.
Shay, take your picnic and hold your
I'm
picnic.
going to run with the whole heap of blood clot.
Shay, show me your picnic. Show me somewhere CDA can come from. Come.
The street, look at WORK, I work, RJOB, job. You know big pussy stinking red ants. Stinking chocolate red ants. Brush off yourself and go sell some onion, tomato, garlic and pepper. Go sell some clappers. You know red ants. Go sell some clappers. Red ants go sell some garlic, onion, tomato, pepper. Mix up pimento seed. Season to the bone. Sell some jerk chicken, some all-purpose. Sell some bag juice, bulla, biscuit. Get yourself productive, red ants. And stop wheeling the bike in the kitchen. Wilbur tired. Wilbur says Zuma the best thing ever done in my life. Wilbur says Zuma, you didn't even know what you do to me. Wilbur says Zuma, you didn't even know what you do for me. Right now, me there CDA. Actually, means I didn't know rent to pay. Wilbert live lavish. Wilbert video come this morning. I know the jacuzzi, we say Wilbert. Go out on the street. Look at WORK. I work. RJOB. Job. You know big pussy stinking red ants. Stinking chocolate red ants. Brush off yourself and go sell some onion, tomato, garlic and pepper. Go sell some clappers. You know red ants. Go sell some clappers. Rather than go sell some garlic, onion, tomato, pepper, mix up pimento seed, season to the bone, sell some jerk chicken, some all-purpose, sell some bag juice, bulla, biscuit, get yourself productive, Redance, and stop wheeling the bike in the kitchen. Wilbur tired. Wilbur says, Zuma, the best thing ever done in my life. Wilbur says, Zuma, you don't even know what you do to me. Wilbur says, Zuma, you don't even know what you do for me. Right now, I see here. I treat me that they know when to pay. Wilbert live lavish. Wilbert video come this morning. I know the jacuzzi was Wilbert. Go out on the street. Look at WORK. I work. RJOB. Job. You know big pussy stinking red ants. Stinking chocolate red ants. Brush off yourself and go sell some onion, tomato, garlic and pepper. Go sell some clappers. You know red ants. Go sell some clappers. Red ants go sell some garlic, onion, tomato, pepper. Mix up pimento seed. Season to the bone. Sell some jerk chicken, some all-purpose. Sell some bag juice, bulla, biscuit. Get yourself productive, red ants, and stop wheeling the bike in the kitchen. Wilbur tired. Wilbur says, Zuma, the best thing ever done in my life. Wilbur says, Zuma, you don't even know what you do to me. Wilbur says, Zuma, you don't even know what you do for me. Right now, I see here. I treat me that they know when to pay. Wilbur live lavish.
Upon the why? Tell them that. And the things them. Yeah. Oh God. My neighbor copy my fiance. Because I cut him my key for the house. Filter stay body. Yeah. My neighbor copy me. Chrissy want me. Just come give me the do's and the don'ts and the ahs and the oohs. My friend and my uncle.
See, auntie, somebody mute me.
How the blood clot? When I'm up Joseph and Chrissy Foundation. Alright, Gallop, unmute. I don't know, Chrissy come try look gift them. But I don't know, but I don't know, clean up. Look how you go in.
Some people tell me what you think in the comment section. The people right here now, Rosalie I go show Shavy, the same female who say she love her GX and I come to Jamaica for GX and one bag of something. When I go see Rosalie show her picture in class, the two of them, you would say the two of them fat. Although Shavy used to fat, she's slim now still, but Rosalie I go show her a fat picture. So make we get in at my people.
It's an extension story, you know. I look how sometimes I don't want to extension for plugging at the wall and do the live on the phone and then and the tambourine. Yes, so how it go now? Chatting on our word about his back. Was thinking Chevy Sheen name, I want blood clad fine hair. The England people them on. What's over there I said chat? What's over there I say? Chevy, what's over there I say? I'm a reason. What's over there I said? Today's my happy birthday, Kimmy Boo. What's over there I said tracked. Shall fly down. Sky team up with her. Shall fly down. Whoa, oh my God. Sky team up with her. Shall fly down. Then I with the blood got this. Then what Sky team up with her and I say, happy birthday, baby. Then if Sky team up with Chevy Boo, what the fuck that I feel with me? She said she a bad. What she say? What? She a bad girl. You can't move to her. That she said. Clout for come here. No walk and look man like dog. You a bad girl. I can't step to you. Chevy gave me the one Jakes. Me never look at you. Chevy gave me the one Jakes. I couldn't get him. So don't me true. Me don't even one Jakes. When you come, I just come here. I just not even look by you. Yeah, cause Jakes a fuck and me a fuck too. So I'm gonna stop give you clout. I'm gonna stop give you the clout. I'm gonna stop give you the clout. If I come here, if I book a fight, I come here man in vain. This why we can't sub. I don't know why you can't sub. I don't know. Look, I'm gonna restart. I don't know why you. Him can't sub. Baby daddy. Baby father say him can't sub. I don't know. Say him can't sub. I don't know. My man say him can't sub. I don't know. First man him can't. I don't know. TikTok, put up a sub to again now. Maureen want what TikTok put up the sub to? Good morning, no update. What an update about what? What kind of update about what? I don't know sub I go. Super fun. I don't know about it now. I update message Chad. You have to go upgrade to super fun. Go update. I don't know if update the sub, you know. Yeah. Fan, super fan. And a sub again a super fan. They can't click on it same way. See them there? Morning, baby. So she said, me say Anna need me not good. So she said, shot. No. Tiara. Yeah. Come off my page. I'm going to show it two girls. Tiara. And them some jigs want give me as mate. A Chevy. Before she do the drastic, they can't swallow surgery. You know, she got Clout. A she. Yeah, a Chevy. A Chevy. Before she do, they can't eat sleep. They can't be able to juice them swallow. This is not she now. One month of waist, me say she look like Amari when she strip. Me not look at them. Whoa, me say GX, you're lovely how we do. Me say lovely GX, you're killies. Me nah look. Where you coming? I'm coming to make it to who? Then we're gonna tell the dirty man. Cha. You and GX stay about like. Cha. Poor tap say I chat whenever about fight them go on. Otis original. Otis comes. Otis for a big belly man a pay pussy juice in your belly. Man write a black Otis. Man write a all two girl. All the girl them a pass so black them. Can't talk about any girl. Love yourself. Me get the chance to go to the jock stick sleeve in a turkey. I'm never take it. Me get the chance to do the drag sleeve in a turkey, I never take it because it gonna suck you down like Amari. You gonna put a whole heap of loose fat and then you have to go wait 1 year after to go do the surgery. For what? For what? What am I gonna do that for? Feed 1 spoon of rice? 2 spoons of rice? Or a piece of chicken foot? A 1/4 cup of water like an ingredients me a mix? No. You're mad. But take me look shot injection and take me look time I cut out, me look weight. Let me stay fat and sour. Me not run down shape. Make me stay fat and sour. Me not run down shape. I want me the fat and sour. I want me the fat and sour. Me keep a man for 12 years. And I run left him. I want him born. The kids them okay. You keep asking that. I'm nice in a real life. I'm not act. I can't take a filter. No, up a tambourine. This is my real face, so. Yeah. I'm nice in a real life. I'm gonna put on my clothes, me not look too bad. I trim down little. I don't know about chatting over here. So I don't throw with 2 girl. Me not use. Man, I don't throw. Me not want them talk to me. Throw with them. Man, I don't work and throw with 2 girl. Where the girl them dinner for days again. Man, I don't throw with 2 girl with black and mute. Me not want them come back tomorrow, man. Me not want them come back later. Me not want a girl dictate to me. Throw with 2 girl. Me don't know so I saw you surround. Me not sub nothing. Throw with 2 girl. A GX look Chevy.
Hey, my people. Rosalie, you know, lie still, you know, not all that glitter is gold, you know, my people. You see me, I say, especially them foreigner, yeah. Them no do not know yard, and plus them over foreigner struggle same way. You know what I mean? So GX maybe feel like, say, yo, true, this a girl, a foreigner. You know what I mean? Everything good with she and Ray. He might be surprised. Make me know what I think.
I Chevy I look GX. Cause she look Clout. I Chevy I look GX cause she look Clout. She's a Clout tracer. I she look blood clot, but me I go along and see if we go put out GX. Cause let's say, girl come, girl, oh she flying. Chevy you should not fly in for GX, you should have put him up. Want to the asset when they are front on the asset when they have Jamaica. I don't want people, man. I don't want a competition. Yesterday at the yard, him still gonna do the blood clot. Like I'm thinking me no blood clot, no. But I'm gonna go see shoes and then the bear. I know them broke. Them your mascot. My mascot, I don't show with 2 girls now. One stampede the rest. I didn't say it didn't know you know work. Show with 2 girls. I now change the lock when I go Jakes have to leave. I like area big and about oh you come here, but to Jakes I have to leave. What time me go down there? Cause my time's too up for me, so I'm gonna leave here so. I don't want him around me. Put him up. I have one merit time out of the way. One man them come to me, me not a disturbance. Shove him off. And you got Jakes a class or things. Sure. Class him if you don't want chat. Me not me done. Yeah. I show you I'm gonna like Jakes a class have things when like you know when you have fight you don't want to compete with somebody, when you move. I gonna start to Jakes and have them over here. They're gonna walk and post up and don't look. Catch us in the class, I think Chevy. Jakes in the class, I think Chevy. So you need to fly now. Don't wait till November when the ticket there. Fly now. What kind of karma is blood clot? Will my all good? Never shoot Jakes yet. Me at Jakes, the from me at 20, I know me at 32. He never back up him outside. He never, because of me, he never back up him old. Me never shoot him yet. Him blood clean.
At the screen. It's almost 500k.
fine. Yo. What's you trying to run one?
Can I play a match?
Come on.
Hold on.
Hey, vibe.
Chat to my smoke.
Come on, bro. Hey, yeah, you the type. Hey, Lamar, yeah, you know damn well, man. They made cars and planes for a reason, man. I ain't going here. I'm gone. You heard me? Yeah, I'm finna go do that. Oh God. I'm finna go do that. I appreciate them follows, y'all. I appreciate them follows for sure. Tap that screen. Tap that screen. Yeah, I'm going to a YB. For sure. Hey, Jordan, fun fact, I never been either. Thank you for them follows. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, I never been either. So, you know. Hey, chat, they overstepping. We got 11. Don't worry about it. I ain't gonna lie. I like blocking shit. That's my new little shit, too. That's my new little... that's state people. Okay, let me know something. I sure finna say, like, because we got... Ain't no way we got 12 viewers and 12 on the scoreboard. That's 4 double tappers. But I had to think, like, yeah. Have we gone? No, I don't think none of the chat going to Mississippi before, Jordan. Like, for real. None of us. I don't think none of us been. None of us, Jordan. You been saying I'm a fucking grown man. I appreciate the...
Dragga.
I love the picture. What's that, Jay Terrence, how much?
Yeah, see how we?
Yeah, man. So I add one more to my day, man.
Add somebody, but add cutting.
Add cutting line, yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, so good.
Billy.
Yeah, man.
Play cutting.
X.
Yeah, play.
Come here, man. Put a copy gun, man. Chat, come in, chat. A solo. Solo in a chat. Come in, chat. Make one.
Are you saying name?
The video, hold on. Baby is for us.
Use the first triple team.
The video, I love the video them. Yeah, my video them. I'm post every day. I'll never really man chat, man. Anything up, man. You know what I mean? Chat. Use the first double film with the chat, please. Everybody for themselves, you know. Use the first double film with the chat. Love you, Mr. I
just broke up on the mall.
Everybody for themselves.
Carry speed it look like, you know.
I really last in a team.
Me not style no dog. When the top style off of me, stop this off of me, bro. Stop trying to grab me in a friction. Me no want day night. Me have a mind of my own, bro. Me have a mind of my own, brother. Me no want day night mix up, bro. The most me come up out troll and laugh and go through, bro. And every time me come up out troll, me get beaten after. So me tap it troll in. Cause me get on holy panic after. Me back way long. So nobody said that, bro. Me up on the screen record and you say, yo, you don't believe in a Peter Gay situation. See him where you not change your mouth. Respect for that. And you know I lie him at tell. But you gonna say, yo, me a hypocrite. You know me a hypocrite. Where you load me up for? You know me a hypocrite. Where you load me up for? You all have a hypocrite, man. I'm not load no. Where you load up my hypocrite organization for? Let me hypocrite business here, man. You load me up, make people in the comment section go and they want this me. You all have a hypocrite, man. No load up my hypocrite business. You a hypocrite too. Everybody a hypocrite, man. We're all hypocrites. We're all blood clot hypocrites. Nobody with that, man. Cause I don't know me how come here now. We live good, no, man. We don't want to, we don't want to fear. We live good, no, man. We live good, man. And they go and work out the problem with that work. I don't be doing no problem. I don't want to get me involved in it. Please, and thank you now. Shay, work. Alright, Jayden, you don't pay your violence. We don't do no violence. We don't do no violence. Me no want to be a part of it, sir. We can't fire about violence and do anything we want to do. Me no depend, bro. Me don't come and tell you, say just love me and fight, bro.
I don't know if you say about it, brother, because I was not there. I wasn't there. But I'm going to go tell you about my hypocrite, man. Tappy man. Because you know me a hypocrite and you know you're a hypocrite too. Jayden a hypocrite. Annie a hypocrite. Shay a hypocrite. Oh, we are all hypocrites down here. We're all hypocrites. So you have to just understand that. Nobody load up my hypocrites. Nobody load up my hypocrite organization. Make it done. We're all hypocrites and we have to be hypocrites over here. If we don't be hypocrites, why are we not going to survive? We have to be one rash hypocrite over yourself. If you're a hypocrite, you're not going to work out. Oh, Shay, all when you don't play hypocrite, you're still having a you. Me have to play sometime. And every time I play, but sometime I play. Swing by every side. But them side I know a serious allegation. Them I know what they like. A serious allegation. Them serious rat allegation. Them I know what they like. Because I wasn't there. I wasn't there. Them allegation.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. We are going to watch some more, and it's either we are going to end it or move on to the next, because I'm not sure what else we have to share.
A serious rash allegation, very serious allegation. They might say your name go to jail and not get no bail. They might say your name expensive lawyer. They might say your name remand. Me no want to do. Please. I rate all on no. I will rate me all on, bro. I will there we are the one thing, we are hustle. Everybody against style, everybody chat people, everybody this, everybody who know this, do that, who do that. I saw you go over here, so bro. Over here, I play a ground, over here, devils play a ground, bro. You see me, but certain things me not go involved, bro. So that me can see me sit down there, me not sit down, me not shut them up, bro. That don't mean say, alright then, I wait person, I say me agree with the person. I say me just not get involved. Me a beg. And if you understand it, chief brother. Remember saying like a CD we are talking about, you know, bro. I'm telling you, bro. See me? Me no want in a hit. Me no want in a hit, me sorry. Not this trip. Oh. You see, you say I'm do it. Me no want in a hit, bro. Me never record any problem. No go away. Go away! I'm gonna go out on a dirty thinking blood clot problem. Go and work out on a problem. Me nah get involved. Oh. Me nah get involved. Sorry. You can't wrong me. You can't wrong me, man. I mean, no fun long, don't feel them jobbers, let them say whatever. Me never tell them about fear, bro. Me must tell you no. Say me not really like about fear. So me fear nobody, you know, bro. Me not nothing fear, my fear dead a long time. Oh. Bumbo clap boy, and top call me blood clap phone, man. Where my call me phone for? Top call me phone, you. If you're going to bar, so much girl out there. Where you come and call me phone for? You come like if me there bar and I can't go. Don't think me love, man. Girl on a bar, man. You know so much girl out there. Girl on a bar, top call me blood clot. Call me phone. You see me? Can't manage you on a saga, bro. Me this is a new saga. I'm afraid I don't know. Me learn this over here. Can't manage you, I bring down. God no. Can't manage you, bring down a blood clot, man. Can't manage you, bring down. Can't manage you, man. Me have to cost too much. Digital footprint have me a cost pan into like me a mascot. If it's scroll, see me a ball and me show it to us. Suck out to no more, man. He said that. Me no want no more, man. Me no want no more. Me can't manage no more, man. Me no want me and nobody in an argument over here, bro. Oh no, get me involved, brother. Me can't take it cussing, bro. And me no want to no go and make no story about me. I know you may attack you, no girl. Come in your face that you may attack you. You see me? If you not war, no war, man. I'll cuss on one of that. I like you. I love when you not cuss on one of that, so I can't swing on that side and swing on that side. Hypocrite as always. That more I do. Swing over here, and I swing over here, so. But this is when I can't swing now, I have to sit down and keep my ass, so. And look. I cannot swing now because I wasn't there. I I wasn't there. I wasn't there. I don't have a pussy. I have a hole. And I know where this would go from where it don't go. You know, no man out and where it go from where it go. So I'm just work out no little problem. You know, whatever way, if I don't want to kill no one, I don't kill no one. Just allow me alone. Okay? Alright? Good. Buckler. They're going to want money go and chat. And they may come to pussy and I can't do me. But I don't allow me, but they don't allow me, you know. If somebody may come and make nothing. And then I scroll to F3AR, I see my name in a title. Only you say on the screen record, you say if it call me blood clan name or something, I can report to you, know. I bet say me lock you up. I bet say me lock you up. Stop calling me name. Oh. But differently still. When I do, I mean I stay long, you know. Yeah. I have errands to run. I mean, what's someone not like me, no G-Star, big up for your money gun. I don't follow G-Star, the chat. Me not play no match, But play no match. Good night, all of my lovely people. Do you fit? Not ask me no question, big blood clot breast girl. And go buy one Brazil fit your pussy clot and go do one blood clot. Go just me come there do a custom for you. And ask me no question, big humper looking top girl, they shape like a carrot. Up so big, so I know about them. They could ask me no question and go suck out your mama girl. And ask me no question. Go and go ask who I talk about you. I talk about none. Go and go ask about who I talk about if I want to talk about you. I go near out your mama girl from there over here. Move fast and go. And ask me no question. You come and ask me what me feel what is true. Me know no more what them talk about. Or me care. Or me business more what them talk about. And ask me no question war. And go. And ask me no question and go to me chat. You mix up blood clot. You cannot go find somebody. You be from evening. You wash your look up pussy from evening. You come over here and come ask me. Don't ask me no question girl and go go. That me say. Oh. Whether true or false is not my business. I don't care. Okay? Me not care. One I'm gonna ask no question. I mean, I'm going to ask what about it. You know talk about it.
Well, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? As mix up as Jabbas is, sometimes you have to skip over and mix up, yeah, man, and make some might pass, you know what I mean? Especially if something will involve your friend and something serious, is it? So, tell me what you think, my people.
Like me, I no badge for my shoulder. Or me, I no constable in front of me name, I no sergeant or inspector. When I go on, my name Your Honor. Or my name clerk of court or prosecutor. Me no name nothing like a them there. No ask me no blood clerk question about the people in problem. Me like a courthouse. Then girl, I'm going to take up my problem with the law. Oh. But I'm tapping nice. Look at tapping nice. They're gonna want money go in the chat though. They're gonna want money go and mix up blood clot. I'm going to say, I'm going to come and call somebody. I'm come and call them and say, nobody ready. Yeah, isn't it? Nobody get me involved, Shay. I rate you. I rate and then just do nothing, brother. I can't come between you and I have to just work out no differences and do what I do. You understand me? I go and play You understand? I don't go and do nothing. I don't know about to come and go say one around our cousin. You understand me? So Ras, the heater come from like you walk up your palm. If it's somebody saying some Ras, Clout, I'm not gonna give over here. That's crazy. I go to river. How much money? Go to river for 1 month. Go be in a line and cut off grasses. Me a hypocrite long time, I'm not a hypocrite. So all who don't want me to be hypocrite, you can kindly FUCKOFF. Because I'm going to always be a hypocrite. Hypocrite is my first name, Hippo, Mr. Hippo and Crit. And I'm not stop being a hypocrite. So anybody don't want me to be a hypocrite, come out from a blood clot life. Oh. You know, AC in a room, mama. Me swoop one AC in a holler. I have to go do it. Me a hypocrite. I mean, I stop people. You know the jayden, I stop people hypocrite. I can't.
Hey, I went the alley move. I went if I push it in a small vehicle. And it's a Shebada food anglers in the she really have no license. It's a food anglers she have. Then also kills to get any food anglers now for drive. No, make this make sense. Then you ever tell me, you know, and you practice food anglers pan hill and curve. I never see this some I was a kid. Man, no, my love. I never see this. Then red and snap ball over the jacket. Come on, now this